Hey guys, so let's learn a few questions from the bio portion. Question number one is bacteria are included under, so they are included in the prokaryotes. Option number B is correct one. Second is who described cork as small spaces each surrounded by a firm wall. So it was described by the Robert Hooke. Option number A is correct one. Next is a prokaryotic cell lacks, so it lacks nucleolus. Option number D. A prokaryotic cell do not contain any nucleus as well as nucleolus. Next is subcellular components are separated with the help of, so they can be separated with the help of cell fractionation. Option number D is correct answer. Then is basic components of the cell membrane are, so the basic component of cell membrane are proteins and phospholipids. Next is plasma lemma is made up of, so it is made up of a single lipid layer and two protein layer. Cell wall possesses, so it contain all these cellulose, hemicellulose, protein as well as hemicellulose, cellulose and protein. All of these, option number D is correct one. Then cyclosis is a term referred to the active movement of the cell, protoplasm in the living cell. So cyclosis is the active movement of the protoplasm in the living cell. Next is the protoplasm is in, so it is in colloidal system. Protoplasm is a colloidal system as it contains water with suspended molecule like proteins, carbohydrates and nucleic acids. Next question is endoplasmic reticulum is present in, so it is found in human kidney cell. Cell organelle devoid of DNA, so it is a ribosome out of the given option. The rest of the three contain the DNA. The smallest organelle in a cell are, they are ribosomes. Option number D. Next, mitochondria are not found in, so the human red blood cells. Option number A. Human RBCs do not contain mitochondria. Resolving power of human eye, compound microscope and electron microscope are respectively 100 mm, 0.25 mm and 10 angstrom. Next is the given reaction. Is it anabolism, catabolism or both? So right answer is it is a anabolic reaction as it is involved in formation of a product. So it is anabolic reaction. If you consider the opposite of this reaction, then it will be a catabolic reaction which involves the breakdown of a complex substance into the simpler ones. Next is viscosity of protoplasm is like, so it is like glycerin. Option number B is the right one. Question number 18, most of the cells of a multicellular organism measures, so they measure 5 to 100 micrometer. Option number B is correct one. The dark field microscope was invented by, so it was invented by Zsigmondy. Option number A is correct one. Average thickness of a unit cell membrane is, so it is 75 angstrom. Next, phagocytosis was first seen by, so it was first seen by Mechnikov. Option number D is correct one. Question number 22 is endoplasmic reticulum is more developed in, so it is more developed in mature cells. Option number C is correct one. Next is polyribosomes are aggregates of, so they are aggregates of ribosome and mRNA. Option number D is correct one. Next is the limit of resolution of any optical instrument is given approximately by Abbe's relationship. Option number A. Abbe's relationship determines the resolving power of optical instrument. It states that the resolution is inversely proportional to the wavelength of the light used. Plant vacuole can be studied by using, so neutral red stain can be used to study the plant vacuole. Section to be examined with the electron microscope is stained with, so it is stained with lead citrate. Option number C is right. The term viroid was coined by, so it was given by O-diner. Option number C is right one. Detoxification of drugs is done by, so it is done by the endoplasmic reticulum. Option number D is the right answer. Cytochrome oxidase can be used as a marker enzyme for mitochondria to mark its inner membrane. Option number A is correct one. First time DNA molecule in chloroplast were reported by, so it was reported by and plant. Option number C is correct one. Then centromeric index is, it is the ratio of the length of long and short arms of the chromosome. It is called centromeric index, ratio of the length of long and short arms of the chromosome. The content of DNA which is constant in all individual of that species is called C value. So the content of DNA which is constant and all individual of that species have it is called C value. Which one is correct about ribosomes? Incorrect about ribosome. So option number D. Small subunit of 70S has about 34 core protein. So actually it is less than 34 core proteins. Next is Carter-Jenner syndrome is due to, so it is due to the failure of ciliary motion. It is quite important question. Carter-Jenner syndrome is due to failure of the ciliary motion. The process in which large molecules are vomiting out is called amniocytosis. Option number B. The term nucleosome was coined by, so it was coined by R.D. Kornberg. Option number D is the right answer. The chromosome of amphibian is, so they are metacentric. Option number C. Then antibiotic chloramphenicol, it inhibits 70S ribosome. So antibiotic chloramphenicol inhibit the 70S, 70S. Option number A is the right one. Ribosomes. Next, what happens if a cell is treated with colchicine? Microtubule is inhibited. Option number B is correct one. Microtubule is inhibited. Nexin link is associated with, so it is associated with the cilia. Option number A is right one.